Hello, I'm Dr. Sandhya Rani, Senior Consultant Obstetrics and Gynecology Department, Aster Women and Children Hospital, Whitefield, Bangalore. Today, I'm going to discuss about menstrual irregularities in women. So first, let us understand what is a normal menstrual cycle. The cyclical bleeding which girls and women experience up to a certain age is called as a menstrual cycle. So the average age of the first menstrual cycle or puberty or menarche as we call it is about 10 to 13 years. And then the menstrual cycles last for about 45 to 50 years of age in a woman. Up to 52 years we take it as normal. But suppose a girl gets her first menses before 8 years of age, or if the woman keeps menstruating even beyond 54 years of age, that is considered as a deviation and it needs evaluation. So a normal menstrual cycle, the duration between two cycles has to be a minimum of 21 days and a maximum of 35 to 40 days. So earlier periods are something which come within 21 days of interval, and delayed cycles are beyond 35 to 40 days without any known reason. The amount of menstrual loss or the blood loss is about 70 to 80 ml. So on an average, a woman changes about 4 to 5 sanitary pads per day for about 2 to 3 days. So less periods or scanty periods means the bleeding is less than 1 to 2 days, and prolonged periods means the bleeding going beyond 7 to 8 days. Heavy menstrual cycles are more than about 7 to 8 pads in a day, or associated with clots or lumps in the menstrual fluid. So any of these deviations require you to reach out to the hospital so that we do some tests and try to find out the reason. It is common to experience mild to moderate pain during the menstrual cycles. But if at all there is a sudden increase in the intensity of the pain, or earlier painless cycles and suddenly it has transformed into painful cycles, there may be something going wrong within the body and you need to reach out to the doctors. Sometimes the periods get prolonged, not as bleeding but something called spotting every day for a week to 10 days. And occasionally it may come as premenstrual spotting, that is, it starts as spotting and then transforms into a normal menstrual cycle. Both these deviations indicate hormonal imbalance and you need to get yourself evaluated. There is something called postcoital bleeding, or the bleeding that women experience after a sexual intercourse. Now, this is a very significant symptom and has to be reported immediately to the doctor because there are certain dangerous conditions which can cause this particular problem. Now, what can be the common causes of these menstrual deviations? So, the most common is age. Suppose a woman starts menstruating, a girl starts menstruating at about 10 years of age. It takes about 1 to 2 years from there for her hormones to come into balance and for her to have regular menstrual cycles. So the first 2 to 3 years after puberty, the deviations are acceptable. At the same time, women above 45 years of age are expected to have slight deviation in their menstrual pattern or the bleeding pattern. So up to 54 years of age, it is okay to have menstrual cycles, but if a woman continues menstruating beyond that, she needs to be evaluated, checked for the causes and the medication given accordingly. The other hormonal imbalances like thyroid, polycystic ovaries also play a very important role in menstrual cycle regulation. Stress of late has become a very major factor for women, and it causes a lot of menstrual abnormalities. The lifestyle, the diet, exercise, the weather outside also play an important role, the medications that you take. Certain conditions in the uterus like fibroids or adenomyosis or cysts in the ovary, be it a chocolate cyst or dermoid cyst or simple ovarian cysts, which can be because of hormonal imbalances, can also cause menstrual irregularities. So if you have experienced any of these deviations in menstrual cycles recently, wait for a 1 month or 2 to observe the pattern. If it settles on its own, it's acceptable, but if the deviation continues beyond 2 or 3 cycles, please reach out to us. We at Aster Women and Children Hospital, Whitefield will talk to you about your medical history, examine you. We have radiologists who can perform the ultrasound immediately and help us get the diagnosis. We can also get the hormonal test done in our laboratory, which will help us understand which hormonal imbalance is there. And then we have a range of medical, minimal invasive and advanced surgeries which can help you get rid of these menstrual deviations. Hope this information is useful to you. Thank you.